Welcome back, Hot Wheelers. Today we have something very special in store for you. We have 3 different track setups, and the 2 cars that will be racing is the Ford Falcon, which will be driven by Metal Mania 3D, KC. Please go and check out his channel. I'll put a link below. And the other competitor is Tom Gilbert, who will be driving the Chevy Belair Gasser. Please also go and check out his channel. He is based in Canada. Let's head down to the track and let's get racing underway. Well, here we go, guys. We're back at the start line, and today's race is going to be on 3 different track setups. The first race is on just the 6 lane. Racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. And they're off, and looks like Tom Gilbert's in the lead. Oh, but here comes Metal Mania 3D. Oh, Tom Gilbert takes the first win. What a great race. That was very close. Let's head down to the track and let's get racing on again. Well, here we go, guys. Race 2, and it's on a different track setup. So let's get racing underway. On your marks, get set, and go. And they're off. And looks like the Chevy Belair is in the lead, but here comes Metal Mania 3D. He's taken the win. Is he going to take the win? Yes, he does. He takes the first win. Fantastic. Here we go. Race 2. And can Tom Gilbert bring one back against Metal Mania 3D? Racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. And they're off. There goes the Chevy Belair again. It's flying. It's in the lead. Whoa! Look at that. Broad sliding. Fantastic win by Tom Gilbert. Back to the start line again. Looks like going to race 3. On your marks, get set, and go. And they are off. And there they go. Wow, look at that. Neck by neck, side by side, right around the curve. Fantastic. Who's going to take the win? It is Metal Mania 3D. Fantastic win. Now the third and final race is with the cars going on a double curve flat track. Racers ready. On your marks, get set, and go. And they are off. Look at that. Side by side, looks like Casey in the Ford Falcon is in the lead. Broad sliding again. What's happening? Let's see. Here they come round the corner, and Casey takes the first win. Fantastic. Here we go. Race 2, guys, and we swap lanes. On your marks, get set, and go. And they're off. There they go. Wow, look at that. Chevy Belair has taken the lead. Here they come. Wow, Chevy Belair. Oh, Metal Mania 3D takes the lead on the first bend. Here they come down the finish line, and Metal Mania 3D takes a fantastic win. If you liked the video, guys, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Till next time, keep on not toiling, and bye for now.